Good evening, happy Tuesday everybody. Welcome to our in-clinic live. So I am Leah Cindric, the Senior Registered Nurse here at the clinic. Now I know people are always wanting to know, what can I start off with? Where can I start with my specific skin type? Now whether that be, do I have oily skin, do I have dry skin, or a specific skin concern like I have acne, worry about my pigmentation, I'm pregnant, I'm breastfeeding, what can I use? So what we have done at the clinic, we have tailor-made 8 different skin kits. These can be used all in the comfort of your own home. We do have a very simple philosophy that we live by at the clinic. Everything is preservative, paraben, alcohol, and fragrance free. So what that means for your skin is that you are getting great quality, high medical grade cosmeceutical products and ingredients that will not irritate your skin, dry your skin out, but they're results driven, and we believe in these products because we see the results, and so do our clients. Now, I do believe that having good basics are a solid foundation to your skincare. If your basics are not right, you're going to find that you're going to end up with irritation, redness, or you could even have adverse effects because you haven't got those basics right. The Clinic Skin's basics kit, so the cleanser, the cleansing pad, and the moisturizer is $135, so therefore you're saving $13. The cleansing pads you can take with you no matter where you are. You're getting a great quality cleanse with micellar water, and it's nice and calming with the chamomile. Now the moisturizer is that cult favorite that we have clients come back time and time again to buy, and that is because it's deeply nourishing without being too rich. But it's also got some plant stem cells and peptides, so it's great for that little anti-aging sprinkle. So a great way to kickstart your simple but effective solid basics. Ultimate Eye Rescue Kit retails for $199 and you are saving $41. So around the eyes, especially at the moment, we are a little bit more prone to be behind a computer screen, behind our phone, and we tend to see a little bit of something we like to call tech eyes. So what tech eyes, you basically see a little bit of this dryness underneath the eye. Reason being is we do have less oil glands under the eye. In this kit, we have the cleansing pads by Scott & Sullivan. I love these for around the eye. They do not irritate, they do not dry. It's so easy to take off any makeup, even for you ladies who have gone back and got your lash extensions. These will not irritate those extensions at all. So nice and nourishing for around the eye. Then what you can do, which is the only product that our co-director Lisa Sullivan-Smith gets in and also out of bed for, the Optic Crystal by Cosmetics. Now this little potent serum packs a punch. It has Nobel Prize winning technology, which is going to deeply hydrate the skin. It's great to help reflect that kind of look of that darkness underneath the eye with those strong antioxidants. So it's going to protect, hydrate, and it's even going to help a bit with that anti-aging and also the fine lines. So this is the eye cream you will use morning and night. Now we all love a little at-home treatment, and in this rescue kit for the eyes, we have the Societe Peptide Eye Gel Mask. Now using this mask, you can use it before any special event, whether that be a hot date, going out for lunch with your girlfriends, or even if you just want to treat yourself in front of the TV, bit tired, wanting to help those tired looking eyes. That's exactly what this mask does. Your eyes will never look better after using this mask. So that is the Ultimate Eye Rescue Kit for $199. So I have a lot of clients ask me, how do I know whether I have dry skin, oily skin, dehydrated skin? And it's quite simple. Does your skin feel tight after you cleanse? Does your skin feel a little bit kind of sandpapery and rough? Does it even flake? If you tend to sit within that type of bubble, it means you have more dry and dehydrated skin. So you have to be careful how we treat the skin because we don't want to overstrip it. So we have our normal to dry skin kit, $199, and you save $39. So it utilizes the Purity Solution oil from Cosmetics. I love this oil for a dry or even normal skin. Reason being is those oils are deeply nourishing, hydrating, it won't strip your skin. You can use this morning and night without an issue. And then it also uses the Clinic Moisturizer. So the Clinic Moisturizer is going to hydrate deeply with that sea buckthorn oil. So great if you feel a little bit of redness in your skin. It also has aloe vera, so more calming in the for the skin also. Last but not least, once again, we are adding a at-home treatment, and that is the Glow Mask from Cosmetics. I love the Glow Mask for more of a dry, even normal skin type. Reason being is that this has vitamin C, so it packs a punch to help brighten the skin. And it's really gentle in the way that it exfoliates because it has that bamboo stem extract. So you just get that gentle exfoliation. And our clients who have that more dry to normal skin love this as not only a treatment mask, but something that doubles up as almost an exfoliating cleanser in the shower. So let's kind of jump into more specific skin concerns. So a big one is pigmentation. There's some products that I swear by, and so do every single one of our clients that have the issues with pigmentation, and that is the Complete Pigment Plus by Aspect Doctor. This is a pigment serum that people come back for all the time, and we absolutely swear by. So the Aspect Doctor Complete Pigment Plus is suitable during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It is suitable for even of those sensitive skin types. So there's nothing active in it that's gonna overstrip the skin. It's an absolute rock star when it comes to fighting pigmentation, minimizing pigmentation, also protecting your skin from pigmentation. So let's go through, there are 3 kits that kind of encompass the use of the Complete Pigment Plus. One of them being the Pigment Starter Kit for those with normal to dry skin. This retails for $274 and you get a great saving of $46.50. So once again, those that don't feel like they have an oily sheen at the end of the day, or they don't feel like they need to blot their skin, or that kind of T-zone oiliness. So the normal pigmentation kit utilizes the Benefit Clean as your everyday cleanser, the Complete Pigment Plus as your Rockstar Specialty Serum, and then the Clinic Moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Now, for somebody who's a little bit more on the oily side, we have listened, we do tailor-make our at-home skin kits because we know that not every skin's the same. So therefore, with our oily pigmentation kit for the cleanser, it is using the Purity Clean from Cosmetics. Love this cleanser for an oily skin. Utilizes a little bit of lactic acid for that gentle exfoliation, but it won't overstrip your skin. Once again, my absolute favorite pigment block busting serum is the Complete Pigment Plus by Aspect Doctor. And then last but not least, we know those who have more oily skin probably can't use our own Clinic Moisturizer. That's why we've chosen the Shineless by Cosmetics. And we love the Shineless because it doesn't cause comedones, which are basically a little fancy word for blackheads. It's gonna hydrate your skin and give it exactly what that oily skin needs. New pregnancy kit is $330, so you do save $51.50. And the reason why I love this kit is because when you're expecting, your skin changes. I see it all the time, women coming in saying, how come I haven't got my pregnancy glow? Or why am I now getting pigmentation? How come my pigmentation has flared up and down during my pregnancy? Reason being is melasma. But not just stress, we have created this kit that can go anywhere with you. It has 4 different products. So we have the Benefit Clean, which is your gentle cleanser that you can use morning and night. Now, for those mums who might have more than one kid, or you do have, a little bit of a needy bubba, we love the cleansing pads to be that easy going cleanse that you can do anywhere, anytime, whether it be in the middle of breastfeeding, whether it be in the middle of trying to get dinners or breakfast ready. This cleansing pad will just be that easy, accessible cleanse for your skin, and it's not jeopardizing missing a step of an important skincare routine, which is cleansing. Then we also do have the Complete Pigment Plus serum. So once again, if we're wanting to treat pigmentation like melasma, this is going to protect your skin from any worsening pigmentation, but it's also going to improve the look of the pigmentation that you may have formed during your pregnancy. Last but not least, we then have the Clinic Moisturizer. Once again, deeply hydrating. It's gonna help give that little bit of a glow back in the skin. I'm gonna jump into the Acne Starter Kit. So the Acne Starter Kit is $210 and you do save $38. So we do see this a lot, and I see it a lot. Clients coming in with acne, oily skin, they're not entirely sure what they can use. They're buying 50 billion things from a whole bunch of beauty shops. So what we've done is we wanted to create a kit that's tailor-made, strong cosmeceutical medical grade ingredients that's not going to irritate your acne. It's going to calm the skin, it's going to exfoliate, but it's also going to help shift some of those dead layers and also help with some of your oil. So the cleanser of choice is the Purity Clean from Cosmetics. Reason we love this is that gentle exfoliating lactic acid. It also has a little bit of tea tree. Love tea tree because it's more of an antibacterial. We then have one of my favorite oil-free moisturizers is the Aspect Doctor Ultra Light Moisturizer. Now, for those who are long-term users of this moisturizer, it has changed names. It was the oil-free moisturizer and now it is the Ultra Light. We now have packaged our acne starter kit with an at-home treatment, and that is the Pure Enzymes Mask from Cosmetics. Now, the reason why this is great for acne-prone skin, it's kind of like a little at-home blueberry peel. It utilizes some more lactic acid, but it also has the ability to help decongest the skin. It's also going to brighten the skin, and the cranberries are going to be your anti-inflammatory, so nice and calming for the skin. Last but not least, it is winter, it's cooler, we want to look after our skin a little bit more. We do probably feel a little bit more dehydrated, especially now we're indoors a lot more. So we have created a winter skin kit. So our winter reboot kit is $175 and you save $32. Now this is our new and improved winter skin kit. We have decided to add the Purity Solution, which is our nourishing cleansing oil in the mix. Reason being is this is the ultimate cleanse for those who feel dry and dehydrated. It utilizes some incredible oils to deeply nourish your skin. You can use it right up underneath the eyes. It will not strip your skin. It's going to give that skin almost like that kind of warm wintry hug that it needs to calm and hydrate. The next product that we use is the Reboot Serum. So the Reboot Serum is from Cosmetics. I love this serum for a red, inflamed skin or even a skin that just needs balancing, and that's because it uses probiotics. So if you think about what probiotics do for your gut, there's no reason why we can't balance the skin on our face by using the Reboot Serum. Last but not least, as our moisturizer of choice, it is the Clinic Moisturizer. Love this for a dry skin because it uses sea buckthorn oil, so it's going to hydrate, it's going to calm the skin, has aloe vera in there as well, so nice and soothing, along with some green tea. And then last but not least, that kind of sprinkle of anti-aging because it's going to, it's got those plant stem cells and peptides. I hope what you get out of this is there is a kit for every skin type and every skin concern. And it's about finding the good foundations to use for your skin. And then you can add in those specialty serums as you need down the track when we know your skin is balanced, it's hydrated, and it's strengthened. Also, we are still running our video consultations. This is a perfect time to utilize the kits, and if you've been using these types of products before and you're trying to figure out what else I can do to enhance my results that I am wanting with my skin, you can chat with one of us registered nurses and we will absolutely love to get you onto that skincare journey. If you're wanting to book in for a video consultation, you can do so by heading over to theclinic.net.au. Have a great night, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Thanks.